Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica. This was brought in because the customer complained of loud noises when trying to grind the coffee and brew a shot, and that it wasn't grinding the beans, and that no coffee was coming out of the brew spout. And so what we discovered is that the grinder was malfunctioning, so we replaced that. And then also, once that was replaced, it was grinding beans and putting them in the infuser to brew. We found that the flow coming out wasn't very good, and so we replaced the infuser on the inside with a new one, and now everything seems to be working as it should. We'll test the features. Let's see, get some hot water going. There we have it. Good hot water. Steam. Give it a moment. There you have it. Steam working just fine. And now we'll pull a shot. Looking good. Alright, there you have it, DeLonghi Magnifica, grinding and pouring shots just fine. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.